welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. We on video number 2. Sorry if I'm a little, extra, but I'm proud of myself for doing this twice, because, normally I would have just been like, whatever, but number 2 for me. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about the Ipsy Glam bag subscription. I've had the Ipsy Glam bag subscription for about maybe a year and a half now, and I absolutely love it. It's just a cute little way to get like little travel size, sample size of makeup and stuff like that. Some of the companies that are in the bags that I get every month, I've never heard of them before, and some of them I have heard of, so it just depends. But I haven't gotten any duplicates yet, and yeah, I haven't gotten any duplicates, so that's pretty good, being as though I've been a member for about, like I said, a year and a half. So I have 2 bags here. If you ever get the subscription or whatever, they come in this little bubble wrap type of situation, and so this is the bag I got last month, and I just never opened it because I've been doing a lot of stuff and I just never got around to opening it. So yeah, so here's the bag. Each month it comes with another bag, so you'll get like another cute little makeup bag that you can use for other things. And inside of the bag, it comes with a little insert, and it shows you like all of the things that are inside of the bag that you currently have. So each bag gives you 5 little items that you can use. And specific bag, we have the H2O Oasis hydrating treatment. I don't know. Yeah. But it's white, you can't really see, it's not. But yeah, so it says it is a hydrating treatment and a water gel moisturizer. It says clinically proven to double skin hydration and moisturize for 24 hours. So it says on this, there's a tip for this particular product. It says the order in which you apply skincare matters. Use this moisturizer after cleansing, toning, and applying your serum to make the most of its hydrating, skin plumping benefits. On the back, it says, after cleansing and toning, massage gently onto face and neck, day and night. And it says it's good for 12 months, so that's a year. And it's sealed on the top, as you can see. So that's good. So that's that one. The next thing we have in here today is this, the Phase Zero Makeup Shimmer Eyeshadow in Nude Newbie. Ha ha ha. It says it's a pressed eyeshadow from Phase Zero Makeup. I've never heard of Phase Zero Makeup. Sorry. So, like I said, it's a little cute little, what are these things called? I don't know what they're called, but I had it on the tip of my tongue. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, there it is. And it has a little mirror on the inside of it. I don't know if you guys can see that color or not, but let's see if I swatch it, what will happen. Oh, it's really, 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 really light. Like, that's new for real. Yeah, that's that. The tip for this one, it says, it's the shadow that looks great on you, your friends, your mom. The soft pearly pink color from Phase Zero Makeup is universally flattering, long-wearing, buildable, and looks beautiful day or night. Plus, you can use it as a highlighter for a quick glow-up. Thanks to its soft, shimmery sheen and luminous pink tint, this shadow doubles as a gorgeous highlighter Tap it on your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, or Cupid's bow for a little extra glow. Well, I do have on makeup, so let's see. Where's that nose? Wow, my nose is really shiny now. Wow. Get this off though. Yeah, I don't know about that. As a highlighter, it's too late for me. The next thing we have is, I guess you pronounce that as Tipsy. Don't know, but it says Tipsy Lip Crush Lip Oil. This December, give your lips the gift of glow with this lip oil from Tipsy. It's deeply moisturizing, has a glossy finish, and leaves behind a warm pink tint that shifts your lips' pH. It's time to say goodbye to dry, chapped lips and hello to healthy, hydrated ones. Swap your lip gloss for this lip oil and you'll get the same high shine effect, but a ton of moisturizing benefits too. So, yeah. Let's see. Does it smell like anything? Oh, it smells like, it smells like berries or something. It smells so good. Wow. I'm gonna have to use this. And the next thing we have is something from Tarte. Let's see. I don't have any Tarte products in my makeup caboodle. That's because I'm basic. This little thing. It says Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade of Kisses. The fastest way to get a pretty, natural-looking flush this holiday season. This mineral blush from Tarte. The shimmery pink shade is super flattering, long-wearing, and goes on 100% streak-free. Plus, it's infused with Amazonian clay to keep shine in check and brighten your look in a pinch. Dust any leftover blush on your brush across your lids for a shimmery eye look. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. Look what it looks like. It's cute on the inside. It's cute. And this is not a mirror at all. It's just like plastic over top of that. But that little design is cute. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah. And the last thing for this bag would be this. It's a brush. It's a Complex Culture All Over Highlight Powder Brush. Never heard of Complex Culture either. Oh. This is a brush. Oh, it says, I don't know. It says all over highlighter powder. Feels pretty nice. All over highlight. Use this multitasking brush to sweep on powder highlighter for a luminous finish. You can also use it to set under eyes, blend shadow, or brighten brow bones and Cupid's bow. Luxuriously dense Syntec bristles, 100% biodegradable handle with a matte velvet finish, vegan and cruelty free. Explore the full collection and view tutorials. Explore the full collection and view tutorials at complexculturebeauty.com. So yeah, so that was it for that bag. Like I said, this is the bag I got last month, and I just never got around to opening it. So I thought, like, and my next bag. Oh, she's cute. This is the bag I got. It got delivered either yesterday or the day before that. I really just don't remember. This is the bag. She's cute, right? She's really cute. And here is my insert. All right, first up we have, I do not know how to pronounce this, and if I'm pronouncing it wrong, I'm sorry. Don't kill me. Purely's. Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones, and soothes, soap and sulfate free. all skin types. Massage a dime-sized amount onto damp skin and massage in circular motions. Rinse and pat dry. The value of the full-size version of this product is $36. And it lasts for 18 months. Oh, it has some benefits in the back. It says Blue Lotus is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. White tea helps rejuvenate skin. Soy milk is rich in amino acids and maintains skin elasticity. Whole oat calms and soothes sensitive skin. I don't know if I would use this. Just because I honestly don't know if I would use this because my skin is very weird. Like, certain things will make it break out and certain things won't make it break out. And I just don't, and I haven't gotten into the groove of what works for my skin and what doesn't work for my skin, you know what I mean? So, I don't know, but it seems like a good thing to have. Next up, we have Bella Pierre. Oh, that is upside down. Bella Pierre Cosmetics Liquid Shadow. Sorry, someone called me. But yeah, so we have the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Liquid Shadow Eye Candy in the color Venus. It looks like it's like a brown type of situation, but we about to find out. This is the packaging. It's like normal. Looks like a lip gloss. Smells like lip gloss. I don't know. It's bright as hell, but I don't know. Yeah. Doesn't really do anything for me. Next up, we have the Hemp's Original Herbal Body Moisturizer. Well, I don't really need to explain what body moisturizer is. We all know what body moisturizer is. If you don't, then that's a problem. It says, say goodbye to dryness, flakes, and irritation because this body lotion from Hemp's contains 100% pure hemp seed oil to help soothe it all. It's full of skin-nourishing fatty acids, amino acids, and minerals to give you the smoothest, healthiest skin. Plus, the fruity floral scent is so refreshing. Tip: take an extra dollop of this lotion and massage it into dry spots like elbows, knees, and heels. The value of the full-size version of this product is $10.59. So I see Hemp's. I see it in like grocery stores. Like it's in. It smells like weird baby. No, it smells like cough medicine. That's exactly what the heck this smells like. It smells like cough medicine. Robitussin. That's what this smells like. Robitussin. So I don't know if you want to smell like Robitussin. I don't know if that's how it smells when it goes on the skin, but it smells like Robitussin inside of here. So yeah, I don't want to smell like Robitussin. All right, so next we have, we have the Too Faced Cosmetics Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. So I use this primer religiously. I love this primer. I love this primer. Like, it is so good. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. So cute that they sent me this. This is the little packaging. Or do I have, no. Oh yes, this is sorry. People are just keep calling my phone and it's just really annoying me. Sorry. But yeah, so this is the one that I have, and it's cute that they put it in a little thing like this for travel size. And the actual size one of this is $34. So it's really, really good. I really like it. Like, I recommend this to people all the time. And the last thing in this bag is the Ciate London Glow to Illuminating Blush in the shade of Date Night. She's cute. She's cute. It's like kind of, you can see it a little. It's like kind of like two-toned. Like it has like a shimmer type of situation sitting on top of it. And it says, when you want to amp your glow up in a pinch, this blush slash highlighter hybrid from Ciate London is all you need. Date Night is a deep terracotta shade that instantly warms up your complexion and lasts for up to 12 hours. Plus, the silky powder blends seamlessly into skin, no streaks or cakiness. Tip: it doubles as an eyeshadow, blend it all over onto the center or just the inner corners of eye. And this, the full size version of this is $26. So let's swatch this and see what happened. That's what it came on my finger. Oh, that's sheer. You can't even see it. Like, it's sheer. Like, for real sheer. But yeah, so that's all that I have in my box. If you are thinking about getting an Ipsy subscription, then you should. It's only like $10. It's only $10. Not like, it is $10. And like I said, you get a different bag every month. And when I did mine, they had like a profile type of thing on there. And like you answer like a few questions. And then like they send you stuff based on the questions that you answer. But yeah, like I said, I haven't gotten any duplicates or anything like that. And it's just like I said, it's a really fun thing to have. Just get sample sizes of different types of makeup, and you get little makeup bags you can reuse, you know, upside down, that you can reuse, you know. So yeah, did I have anything else on my mind that I had to say? No. Oh, I just want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed to my channel. I only have like 10 subscribers, but every subscriber counts. So I just want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed, and I hope you guys stick around. So like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.